The 24th General Assembly of Benguet State University Community Multipurpose Cooperative was held at BSU Closed Gym, La Trinidad, Benguet last March 8, 2025 with the theme of Making a Difference for a Better Community. Now let's discuss the management report. Actually, marami pong reports ang ni-report during the assembly, but I would like to focus on numbers since the performance of our cooperatives ay doon naman makikita. Alam ko na we are all excited kung magkano ang binigay ni BSU CMPC ng dividends or interest on share capital and patronage refund sa atin na members. But before that, let's dive in muna sa membership. Nag-increase ng 13.49%, merong 2,667 na naidagdag na regular members. Kaya po ang total na members ng BSU is 22,430. Now, next, the financial highlights. The asset growth by 19.06% or 724,200,403.80. Kaya po ang total na asset po ng BSU is 4,523,371.43. And in the same manner, there is also a notable increase in total deposits in the amount of 278,098,619.56. Kaya ang increase niya po is 12.65% from the previous years. Ang total deposit po all over is 2,475,639,469.28. Next one is the total share capital significantly increased by 27.16% or 328,189,250.90. Kaya ang pinaka-total po ng share capital ng BSU is 1.5 billion. Next one is the net surplus amounting to 68,086,371.65 with 38.25% from the previous years. Kaya ang total net surplus of the co-op is 246,071,371.65. So again, if we say net surplus, yun po yung pinaka income po ng co-op for the year 2024. So, saan ba galing ang ating mga income or revenue ng ating co-op na nakapagbigay po sa atin ng 10.67% interest on share capital or dividends and 10% na patronage refund. Number 1, income from loan operations, 65%. 13% galing din po sa filing fees, 6% sa fines, 5% service revenue, 5% sa rent income, 4% income from investments, 2% other income, and others membership fees. Na-report din po dito kung magkano po yung na-disburse na mutual assistance amounting to 13,630,000 to 123 beneficiaries. If we say mutual assistance, ito po yung mga namatay na kamemberhan po natin at nabigay po sa kanilang mga pamilya. So, meron pong 784.39 na contribution po natin each members. And next one is the hospital assistance. The cooperative was able to have 556 members and they disbursed 15,153,500 pesos. Meron po tayong na-contribute na 922.88 pesos for the year 2024. And of course, marami pa po tayong pwedeng i-share po sana. Pero yan lang po yung ibang pinaka-importante na kailangan din natin malaman as a member. So I hope this video helps, and if it helps, please do like and subscribe. Once again, this is Benguet Grace saying sharing is caring. Bye! See you!